Hi Tim, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to APIM management series. In this video we will learn about how to fetch keys and secrets from Key Vault to APIM. Okay, I have one API that is get stock. Let's check it what it is giving. And currently it is giving me all the stocks which has been inside my database. Whenever I will need a particular stock, I will just write let me see all data stocks. I will just write data here and I will send it. It will show me all the data stock. And same way, if I search for century, then it will give me all century stocks, means which stocks which have century inside their name. It will give me century like this. Okay, so as currently I have query parameter and that I can set directly from APIM policy. Let's set our query parameter and this will be name query, and let do one thing, let create an name value which will directly fetch the value from Key Vault. By this way we can directly fetch the value from Key Vaults or secrets or keys from Key Vaults. Copy this one, copy this name and paste it. I will select it from Key Vault and system assign, and okay, inside Key Vault you should have reader access. For that to access this Key Vault, I'll just go to IAM control, role assignment. I will add a role. It enables manage identity, so I can directly add a Key Vault administrator or else Key Vault reader. Next, manage ID, select member. I'll just select API management. I'll select this one and review and assign. It have Key Vault reader, Key Vault secret, and let create. Go to Key Vault. Let me select data and save it. Okay, select and save it. Here you can see name value is created. Let me refresh it. You can see data stocks. Same way I will add century stocks. I'll just copy the name and paste it. I'll fetch from Key Vault and name century selected. Okay, and century both are created successfully. Let me directly add those to our policy. In value I will add those. First I will add data. Just copy this name and directly I'll paste here data stocks. Let's save it and if I'm providing nothing, and because I directly provided in policy, so it might be currently blank. So if I send it, you will find all the data stocks, and if you trace it, you can find I have assigned that name value, and it directly fetch the name value data. And here is the query parameter, set query parameter. Then let's change that from Tata to Century. Just copy Century stock. I'll just copy this Century name and I will paste it. If I save and directly if I run, it will give me all the Century details. Here you can see all the stocks with Century name inside. Okay, that's all for this video. In this video we have already created 2 secrets inside our Key Vault, and then we have given reader access to the APIM using manage identity. And here inside the APIM we have created name value, and from name value we have given our value will be Key Vault that will directly fetch from Key Vault, and we can directly use those values inside our policies.